All right, today is Friday, December 4th, and hopefully we'll be finishing up the work on the snowblower. What I have to do today mainly is to mount the control box in here. So we've got an AC powered stator that runs and sends AC power when the engine's running, and all of the stuff that's hooked up is on DC. So there's a converter and then a distribution block that I have to put in, and that hopefully is going to fit right in there. And then I need to clean up this wiring because it is a horrible mess. And then just button some stuff up, like the cover for the motor there, and again, just neaten up the wires, and then everything should be good to go. So we'll take another video as things progress.